Welcome to Fundamentals of Nursing MCQ series. Test your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and get ready for your exams with today quick question. Let's begin. That is question number 101. Which of the following drugs is contraindicated for lactating mother? There are four options. A. Chloroquine, B. Tetracycline, C. Ampicillin, D. Amikacin. The correct answer is option B. Tetracycline. Drug is contraindicated for lactating mother, that is tetracycline. In tetracycline is contraindicated in lactating mother because it can pass into the breast milk and may affect bone growth and cause permanent discolorations of the teeth in the infant. That's why tetracycline is contraindicated in lactating mother. Next question, that is long leg cast type of plaster cast is used for A. Fractures of the carpal and metacarpal bone. B. Fracture of the radius and ulna bone and dislocations involving the elbow. C. Fractures of the tarsal and metatarsal bones. D. Fracture of the bone of the lower leg. The correct answer is option D. Long leg cast type of plaster is used for fracture of the bone in lower leg. A long leg cast extends from the upper thigh to the toes. It is commonly used for the fracture of the tibia and fibula, providing immobilizations of the knees and ankle joint. That's why correct answer is option D. Next question, that is an agent that checks hemorrhage. A. Anticoagulant. B. Statics. D. Hemotonics. D. Stomachics. The correct answer is option B. An agent that checks hemorrhage, that is styptics. In styptics, there are substances used to stop bleeding by contracting tissue and sealing injured blood vessels. In hemoglobin, actually prevent blood clots, which promotes bleeding. Next, hematinics. Hematinics are used to increase hemoglobin. Stomachics aid in digestion, not related this bleeding. That's why B is correct answer, that is statics. An agent to check hemorrhage, that is statics. Next question, that is typical agent is used for cleaning wound is A. Tincture iodine. B. Savlon. D. Hydrogen peroxide. C. Hydrogen peroxide. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Typical agent used for cleaning the wound, that is all of the above. Tincture iodine is an antiseptic used for skin disinfection before and after surgery. Savlon is commonly used to antiseptic liquid containing, and hydrogen peroxide is used for cleaning the wound that helps to remove debris. That's why all of the above is the correct answer. Next question, application of the drug to the skin is known as A. Inhalation. B. Insertion. C. Instillations. D. Injection. The correct answer is option D. Application of drug to the skin is known as injection. In injection refer to the application of drug to the skin by rubbing, allowing it to be absorbed transdermally. That's why correct answer is D. In inhalation involves breathing in a drug through the nose and mouth. And insertion is the placement of the drug into the body cavity. And instillation involves placing a liquid drug into a body cavity such as eyes, nose and ear. That's why D is correct answer. Application of drug to the skin is known as injections. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more nursing MCQ. Stay happy and stay confident. Bye bye. See you in the next video.